Good morning. I'm Nikki Nealon from Casey Nealon, and I'm here to tell you about the key provisions of the American Rescue Plan Act that may impact you and your family. If you received unemployment benefits in 2020 and your income was less than $150,000, $10,200 of your unemployment benefits are now tax-free. The third round of stimulus payments is set at $1,400 per qualifying person. For this round, dependents are included, and dependents include college students and qualifying relatives. But if your adjusted gross income is over $75,000 for an individual or $150,000 for a married couple, the stimulus payment will start phasing out. And if your income is over $80,000 or $160,000 if married, you will receive no stimulus payment. Be aware, the payment is made based on your 2019 tax return if you've not filed your 2020 return. If you're eligible for COBRA health premiums, there's now a premium assistant credit available for premiums and wages paid between April 1st and September 30th. The child tax credit is expanded for 2021 only and is now fully refundable. Parents will receive $3,600 for each child under the age of 6 and $3,000 for each older child, including children up to age 17. This is an increase from the current level of $2,000 per child, but the credit phases out for taxpayers with income over $75,000 or a married couple of $150,000. Perhaps the biggest difference, though, is that these payments will be made monthly to families from July through December, rather than being a refund or reduction of taxes come tax time. The plan includes special earned income credit rules for individuals with no children and allows a credit for some separated spouses. Additionally, taxpayers are allowed to use their 2019 income instead of 2020 income in figuring the credit. The Child and Dependent Care Credit is also expanded for 2021 only. The credit is now refundable and is increased to up to 50% of eligible expenditures. This makes the maximum credit worth $4,000 for one qualifying child or $8,000 for two or more qualifying dependents. Additionally, for taxpayers receiving employer-provided dependent care assistance, the first $10,500 is excluded from income. Student loan forgiveness will be tax-free for any loans forgiven during 2021 through 2025. However, this bill does not actually provide for any loans to be forgiven. And the premium tax credit has also been expanded for 2021 and 2022. And taxpayers who receive too much in advance premium tax credits in 2020 will not have to repay the excess amount. So what do you need to do now? Well, if you received unemployment benefits in 2020 and you've already filed your tax return, look at filing an amended return. The change applies to benefits received last year, and you may be due a refund. The timing of the stimulus payments also provides some opportunities, as the payment is calculated on the last return that you filed. If your income was lower in 2019, you may want to wait to file your return this year. But if it's lower in 2020, you may want to file quickly. If your child tax credits are paid out monthly instead of being calculated at tax time, make sure to review your federal income tax withholding. This change could provide a nasty surprise once you file your 2021 tax return. Or make sure to take advantage of the IRS online portal once it's established so that you can opt out of receiving those payments monthly. As always, if you have any questions about how these changes may impact you, please give us a call.